After a long day of mess ups and mistakes, we finally got running water to Blue's Ranch. Leaving Dirty Diana stuck in the mud, we woke up early and tried our hand at pumping water into the camper. After using half a roll of flex tape, water was successfully pumped into the camper, giving us running water at the ranch. Alright, day 2, same problem. Truck is stuck. The ground is a little drier today. We put some cement tiles underneath. I gave up last night because it got dark and I got frustrated. So Jidoria is gonna hop in the front seat. She's gonna go driving and I'm gonna give it a little push, hopefully get it up on those bricks and get my truck unstuck. Water pump can get attached to it. I need to make sure it's long enough. And that.
Why don't you test it out back there before you cut it?
That's true. Let's do that.
This is why men need women.
All right. I'm gonna open up the valve, let the water run through this hose to the water pump, and then I'm gonna turn the water pump on. Hopefully it goes through that hose. Once it does, we can put the water into the camper and then we can take real showers. All right, here we go.
Let alone we still have a truck problem.
Yeah, one problem at a time. So it's not tight enough. Which is crazy because it should be. Alright, I'm gonna have to be fine. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here it comes. Anything?
Yeah, I'm filling water. Yep, water's coming in.
Yeah?
It's strong flow here.
Woo!
Can I pull it out to see how strong the flow is?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's a strong flow over here.
Alright, so we finally have the pump system working. We have it plugged in there. Ooh, where are you? Into the camper. It's a 45 gallon tank or 44 gallon. This hose is going here, which we flex sealed on because we were leaking, and with all the truck problems we're having, we don't want any more water going over there. We got this hose running there where we also flex sealed. There's less drainage there, but all in all good. We know it's working because I forgot to turn some of the faucets off inside, including the outdoor shower. So the outdoor shower is just spewing water everywhere. But I'll take it because now we can actually shower here and not do what we call a cowboy shower, which is baby wipes. Just all over us. So it'll be nice to actually be able to shower here. Do we even have like shampoo and conditioner and soap?
There's soap. A bar soap.
A bar soap.
I don't think there might be some shampoo.
Well, now that we have the means, we can go buy some.
Yeah. If we get your truck out the dirt.
We're getting it. All right, so now that we have water in there, it's how do we get the water out? So last time we were here, Jidoria and we dug a French drain, which is essentially just a trench that you put rocks in the bottom of, like pea stones, and then line pipe in it, perforated pipe, so that the water can drain out into the stones. And then you just connect it to the camper. So that's the connection. Flex tape has really been our friend. We're gonna need to put some more flex tape around that because as it all kinds of moves down, that pops off. But underneath here is just about 5 feet of perforated PVC pipe with stone underneath it that all the indoor gray water will go when it's done being used. Yeah, it's coming together. All right, water reveal. We got water. I'm gonna let that run a little bit because I think we have some overflow here coming into the RV, but just empty some of it out. We should be good to go. Shower works. Heck yeah. All right, now that we got water taken care of, water tote's moved over there, we're gonna get this truck out. Mission accomplished. Truck has been moved. Thank goodness. We finally got water, we got the truck out. It's time to enjoy the day. All right, time for my favorite part of Blues Ranch. Coffee time. We got some gluten-free Pop-Tarts. Huge. Some Pepperidge Farm Verona strawberry.
Yes.
I don't think I've ever seen those before.
Neither have I. I just wanted them because they had strawberries in it.
All right, we'll have to do a review.
Trying to get them out.
Ooh.
You know how people do with their fingernails?
Or they do like the hand behind.
Look at that. Alright. Okay. Yes. I love them.
How's the coffee?
The
Because
coffee
we got some crazy coffee up here. It's like jet fuel.
It's the Death Wish coffee.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, the coffee's good. I've tried it.
It makes us poop. All right, gluten-free Pop-Tart review. My hair looking crazy. There's only one in here. This isn't like the real Pop-Tarts.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You forgot to do the tap.
Oh, yeah.
Not so bad.
Gluten-free Pop-Tarts. We got these at Walmart
Yes.
in Kingman, which has a giant gluten-free section. It's surprising. Cheers. Okay. As promised, ribs from the grill
Yum.
from Chef Jai. She's cooking here at Blues Ranch. Bam.
You're silly. I mean, I think it's gonna be better B-roll for tonight when we do the parade.
Oh yeah, I understand. Like we can get that. All right, we got some snow cones.
Oh, I thought it was a picture.
We can. Well, I can take a photo.
No, it's okay. Yummy. Not really. Somebody's gonna get so pissed off at this.
Sitting in the back of Dirty Diana, getting ready for the parade down here.
Yes, we'll show you more.
Yeah, I'll show you more. Yeah. Jay.
That's lit, but also fun.
They sprayed us. Yeah.
You got one.
I got one in my pocket. Only you could prevent forest fires.
Ooh, let me see if I can do Blues Ranch. I did not. I'm gonna do a heart. And you're watching Disney Channel.
That's funny. All right, we got Miss Jidoria's sharpshooter over here. We got our Red Ryder BB gun. And she's out here hitting all the targets.
Oh, I hit up top.
Which one, the left one?
Yeah.
These two are her, and on this one, she got the bullseye, and she got that one. She's out here sharp shooting. Wow.
Here, your turn.
All right. All right, I'm gonna go for the right one.
Okay.
Oh, you already cocked it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Dead center.
Heck yeah. All right, cowboy.
But also, while we were shooting, we saw like, I'm gonna say baby coyote.
It wasn't a baby. That was pretty big.
Maybe it was a real coyote. I don't know. There was a big old dog looking thing running through the woods here. Luckily, we're fenced, but they're more afraid of us than we are of them. So he was running away. We locked eyes though.
Oh, for sure. He was scared of it. Something got into my oh, sorry. It's like something got into my throat.
Oh no.
Like it was like a smell or something. I'm not sure. All right. Are you just filming me washing dishes?
Yeah. First time doing real dishes at Blues Ranch.
I know.
In the bathroom sink.
You got a very country way
Kitchen
of
sink's
doing
broken.
it right now. I don't know if you want to feel that.
Yeah.
It's like we have a very country way of doing it right now. So because we have a water problem where it's spilling out. So the goal is to wet the dishes, scrub them down, then wet them again. Saving water. This is what we should be doing in the cities though. Video of you making the food?
Well, just like the eggs cooking.
I'm sorry, you should have asked me. Alright, so I don't like rodents and I don't like insects, and I'm like probably gonna be really good at killing them. Rest in peace, still love nature.
Well, true. We're trying to also keep them away, not necessarily have to kill them.
Murder.
So we have like the repellents here.
Yeah, we have these flies that come from the windows. So what we're gonna do is like stick this around the window.
Yeah.
And it's gonna like basically stop the flies from being annoying. And yeah, look at all the roadkill.
But then we also got this. You just put it in the lawn and it kills them. Again, it feels bad saying killing them, but keep them away from our property. All right, just got back from our day in Flagstaff. We got a bunch of stuff from Home Depot that I'll show you, but we are setting up in the back of Dirty Diana. We're gonna do some stargazing tonight. We got our fire pit right here. We're gonna have a good old time. Right now we got our generator going. Don't know if you can hear that in the background. It helps us run the AC better. And we came back to a very hot RV. So we're trying to cool it down a bit. We got more fly stick stuff to keep the flies away. We got some epoxy glue. And that is meant to patch some holes that we have with the for the mice, but we talked to some guy, told us to fill it up with this stuff. It'll fill the hole and they won't eat it, and if they do, it's no fun for them. Because we don't want to kill them. And to help that, we got this mint scent repellent. So you just kind of place this around the property and the cabin, and they hopefully stay away. That's the goal for that. Let's see, what else did we get? More glue traps. These seem to be our best friend out here. Batteries for our carbon monoxide detector that doesn't detect carbon monoxide currently. Some of this stuff to scrape up some unfortunate mouse droppings. Some clamps to go on our hose for when we're doing water pumping. One of the hoses doesn't fit correctly, so I'm just gonna get in there and really get after it. A bucket to clean dishes in so that we don't have to keep using water. Our generator just sounded like it was going off. We got some other stuff too to help repel animals and critters and stuff away. We got this. This is for the weeds. We're just gonna place this around the property. Hopefully the weeds stop growing. And bug be gone insect killer. Just gonna do the same thing, spray that around. We also got some soil so that Jidori can start her garden, which is gonna go right here in front. We cleaned some of it out today. And yeah, that is really all we got, but we're excited for the night now. I'm really bad at selfie style. But yeah, we should have a good time. But the levee was dry. Them good old boys was drinking whiskey and rye, singing this will be the day that... All right, last night here at Blues Ranch. Let's drink it up.
My jazer.
All right, it's the morning here. I'm gonna start filling up some of those mouse holes with some of the things we bought yesterday. Jidori's outside doing some dishes. Show you that process in a bit, but I want to get you guys down into the depths of it. All right, we're going down. Just gonna go plug that in there, and then let's see what we got. Oh, that came out really quick. Well, all right. Jidori's doing some cowgirl dishes. Filling up the bucket with water, washing them. It's a little easier that way up here. Doing our last final cleaning before we head out. All right, we're making our last stop before heading out. And now we have a donkey friend wearing a cowboy hat. What a cool dude.